Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best 125 cubic centimeters engine is probably one of the most versatile and accessible powerplants available for motorcycles and scooters today, offering a fantastic balance between fuel efficiency, manageable power, and affordability that makes it an ideal choice for commuters, new riders, and those seeking a nimble and economical urban transport solution. Whether you're navigating bustling city streets, embarking on short weekend trips, or simply looking for a cost-effective way to get around, a well-chosen 125 cubic centimeters engine can provide a reliable and enjoyable riding experience without the intimidation or expense associated with larger displacement bikes. Number 5. 125cc Pit Dirt Bike Engine Kit. Experience the thrill of high power, speed, and torque with this 125 cubic centimeters engine. It's designed to deliver exceptional performance for your off-road adventures. Keep going longer with its generous 30.43-ounce fuel tank. This complete kit includes everything you need for a seamless upgrade. Our advanced heat dissipation and air cooling systems prevent overheating, ensuring reliable operation even during extended use and reducing failure rates. The high-performance carburetor offers a simple, durable, and reliable design for easy maintenance and consistent power output. Featuring a CDI ignition system, it provides improved reliability and reduced costs. Enjoy more power than standard factory motors with a great compression ratio. With its simple structure and included accessories, you can get this engine installed and ready to ride in no time. What we like. This engine kit offers high power and torque for excellent performance. It also features a large fuel tank for extended operation and a reliable carburetor for easy maintenance. If you're looking for a robust upgrade for your pit bike, dirt bike, ATV, or go-kart that prioritizes performance and longevity, this is a solid choice. What people say. The 125 cubic centimeters engine is a good choice for beginners due to its manageable power and lightweight design. This 125 cubic centimeters engine offers excellent fuel efficiency, making it cost-effective for daily commuting. The compact size of the 125 cubic centimeters engine allows for easy maneuverability in city traffic. Number 4. 125 cubic centimeters 4-stroke Semi-Auto ATV Engine. Introducing our robust 125 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine. It's designed for performance and reliability, featuring an air-cooled CDI system for optimal operation. This engine offers a convenient semi-automatic transmission with 3 forward gears, neutral, and reverse. It provides excellent control for various terrains and riding styles. Get going quickly with the electric start feature. It ensures a hassle-free ignition every time, so you can spend more time riding. This motor is perfect for a wide range of vehicles including go-karts, dirt bikes, ATVs, and buggies. It's compatible with many popular brands. Your purchase includes everything you need to get started: wiring, carburetor, air filter, chain case, and gasket. It's a comprehensive solution for your vehicle. Remember to add the correct amount of oil before your first ride. Follow the recommended oil-to-gasoline ratio for both the break-in period and regular use. What we like. This 125 cubic centimeters engine stands out with its inclusion of reverse gear and electric start, making maneuvering much easier. Its horizontal, single-cylinder, 4-stroke, air-cooled design is compatible with a wide range of ATVs, go-karts, and dirt bikes. If you need enhanced versatility and convenience, especially for off-road vehicles where reversing is a must, this engine is ideal. What people say. The 125 cubic centimeters engine offers a smooth and responsive power delivery, making it ideal for city commuting and occasional highway rides. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces and simplifies installation in various vehicle types. The fuel efficiency of the 125 cubic centimeters engine is impressive, providing excellent mileage without compromising on performance. Number 3. 125cc 4-stroke ATV motorcycle engine with reverse. Experience the robust 7.64 HP and 125 cubic centimeters displacement of this engine. It's designed to reach a max speed of 7,500 revolutions per minute for thrilling rides. Our advanced air cooling system keeps the engine temperature down. This prevents overheating and ensures a smooth, enduring performance. With a 4-speed manual transmission, you gain precise control over gear shifting. Easily adapt to any road or track conditions. Constructed from premium aluminum and cast steel, this engine offers superior durability. It's built to withstand complex environments and provide a long lifespan. This powerful unit is perfect for a wide range of vehicles. It's ideal for motorcycles, ATVs, go-karts, and tricycles, provided the crankshaft matches. What we like. Boasting strong horsepower and a 4-speed manual transmission, this engine offers precise gear shifting for adaptable driving. Constructed with premium aluminum and cast steel, it's built for superior performance and a long lifespan in demanding conditions. If you desire a motorcycle or ATV engine that provides excellent power output and control for various terrains, this option is a great fit. What people say. The 125 cubic centimeters engine is a great choice for beginners, offering a good balance of power and control. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to handle and maneuver, perfect for city riding. The fuel efficiency is impressive, providing excellent mileage for its class. Number 2. 125cc 4-stroke engine motor complete kit. Looking to boost your pit or dirt bike's performance? This complete engine motor kit is designed to upgrade your existing 125 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine. Experience enhanced power with a compression ratio of 9.0 to 1. It delivers a max power of 6.5 kilowatts and a max torque of 8.0 Newton meters, ensuring a thrilling ride. This kit is designed for a perfect fit with various Honda models, including CRF50, CRF70, XR50, XR70, and many more. Check the fitment list for details. Everything you need is in the box. You'll receive the 125cc engine, kickstarter, gear shift lever, carburetor, intake manifold, CDI, and gaskets. Designed to match original factory parameters, installation is straightforward and requires no modifications. It's a convenient upgrade for your bike. While designed for easy installation, an installation manual is not included. We highly recommend professional installation to ensure optimal performance and safety. What we like. This 125 cubic centimeters engine kit is designed for easy installation, made to original factory parameters for a perfect fit on many Honda models and similar pit bikes. It comes as a complete motor kit with all necessary accessories for a straightforward assembly. If you're looking for a hassle-free, efficient performance upgrade for your mini bike or dirt bike and want a direct replacement that's easy to install, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The 125 cubic centimeters engine provides a smooth and powerful ride, making it ideal for city commuting. Its fuel efficiency is impressive, offering great mileage for its class. The compact design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. Number 1. X-Pro 125 cubic centimeters 4-stroke ATV engine. Get ready for adventure with our powerful new 125 cubic centimeters ATV engine. It's designed for performance and reliability, making it perfect for your off-road explorations. Experience the efficiency and smooth operation of its 4-stroke design. This engine delivers consistent power for all your riding needs. Shifting gears is a breeze with its semi-automatic transmission. Enjoy a seamless ride without the hassle of a manual clutch. Maneuvering in tight spots is made easy thanks to the integrated reverse gear. Get out of any situation with confidence and control. Starting up is as simple as turning a key with its electric start feature. Spend less time trying to get going and more time enjoying the ride. This engine is built to handle the demands of any adventure. Its robust construction ensures durability for countless exciting journeys. What we like. This 125 cubic centimeters 4-stroke engine offers the convenience of a semi-automatic transmission with reverse and electric start. It's designed for ease of use and smooth operation, making it suitable for a variety of ATVs and pit bikes. If you prioritize user-friendly operation and the ability to easily maneuver in tight spots, this engine's combination of features makes it a compelling choice. What people say. The 125 cubic centimeters engine is known for its fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commuting. This engine offers a smooth and responsive power delivery, which enhances the riding experience, especially in city traffic. Its compact design allows for easy integration into various motorcycle models, contributing to a lighter overall vehicle weight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.